How to turn on autosave photos on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can turn on autosave photo on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now tap on the chat right here. Tap on it. Now just open the chat. Let me open this one. Now open it. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here, scroll down. Now you can see the auto save photos right here. Tap on auto save photos. Now just toggle this on like this. Once you toggle this on, every photos that you receive will be automatically saved in your gallery. Repeat the same process for every messages to save the auto save photos like this. That's it. Hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.